and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn the half double crochet stitch, which is a stitch that falls between the single crochet and the double crochet. The type of yarn I'm using is just your 4-weight yarn. I believe it's Red Heart Super Saver, and a 6.5mm hook. Like I said in my previous video, I use a 6.5 just because it helps me with my tension issues. I tend to crochet a little too tightly. Anyways, as you can see here, I've already started a chain. This is 12 chain. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I chained 12. So to start the half double crochet, you're going to yarn over on your hook, and then you're going to insert into the 1, 2, 3, the third chain from your hook. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop. That's going to give you 3 loops, 1, 2, 3 on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 3 of those loops. So once again, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through, gives you 3 on your hook again, yarn over, pull through all 3. All right. So let me finish this row. I'll go slow so you can follow. It's a little hard when you do the first row, initial row into your chain. It's always a little flimsy because it's thin. You can always try learning on chunky yarn if you find that working with a thinner yarn doesn't work for you. I learned on chunky yarn. All right, so we just finished up the row. We're going to chain 2. And we're going to turn. You can see here these V's, each one represents a stitch, represents a half double crochet. This chain 2 here does not count as your first half double crochet, so what we're going to do is we're going to half double crochet right into this top of this stitch right here. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that V, yarn over, pull up a loop. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull through all 3. You're going to do that each across. All right, so as you can see, that's what we've got. I actually have a larger sized swatch of half double crochet if you want to see what they look like. You can try to keep your edges straighter by making sure that you turn the chain the same way and you insert your hook in the same place on the chain each time. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial and learned a little bit and didn't have to replay it too many times. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Please leave any feedback in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.